Hi guys, it's Anthony Dela Cruz here. I was at Tufts Field Fair and I just came back from Walmart and I have a special unboxing and it's boom! NBA 2K24 for PS5. I told you I was gonna get it. And I also got this memory thing. I'm not gonna do an unboxing of it. So I'm just gonna unbox that. There's the disc. And I'll show you the disc. And that's the manual thing. I just had to block it because I couldn't show you guys the code. Bye guys, I hope you liked my video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications on, and send requests on the comments. Bye guys.